Yeah, speaking with the owner, that was exactly what they wanted. They wanted Bali-style, and they worked with the designer for that. With my builders, I've encouraged all of them over the years to move to linear grates, and you've only got to see them. The first time you see them, you know that it's the best way to go anyway, especially in the more high-end work with a lot of large format rectified tile. It just works so nicely. No envelope cuts, no splitting tiles. It's definitely function as well. Just the fact every shower can just be two planes. There's no complex falls, everything's just on, I mean, if you have them at one end, it's just one plane, So basically any tile becomes suitable for a shower tray, whereas, back in the horrible old days before we started using linear grates, once you got it past about a 200 by 200, it just started to get complicated, especially in not square showers, awkward shaped showers. So now anything is a shower tile. In this one, I think we used 5 lengths of the NXT outside and probably only about a half a length of the tile insert inside in the showers. I think especially as the projects sort of get more high end, we use more of the tile insert, so there's so little of the actual grate is seen anyway. And that mill finish in the aluminium is very close in colour to the light grey grout that we use predominantly anyway, so it basically disappears. We're working on a job at the moment, and it's the first non-Lauxes grates we've used for years, and it's really sort of highlighted for us why we use the Lauxes grates. They're a manufactured stainless one, and they're just not spot on. Yeah, they're not straight, they're not uniform width, and we're in the business of perfection, so as much as possible we want products that sort of help us achieve that, and that's what we love about the Lauxes. They're just that, because they're an extruded product, they're just so uniform, so spot on.
I do have a question though.
Yes.
How long have you been using Lauxes grates?
Since they came out, I was the early adopter in Mackay. I actually was importing them into Mackay before any of the shops were stocking them. I was buying them through Concept Tiles Direct at Sunshine Coast. And yeah, I'd probably use them for about 6 months before I got one of the local tile shops to start getting them in for us. So basically I think about 12 years, is it 12 years since yeah.
That's about the age of the company.
Yeah.
12 years, yeah.
So yeah, no, I was there right from the start with the funny little skinny one that it started out with. Yeah, I've seen the development right the way through. I approve of all the new products. I especially like the look of the new gold one. I'm looking forward to using a bit of that.